Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you're looking down at your strawberry legs and wondering if they'll last forever, the answer is no, they're not permanent. Continuous use of these creams and lotions will certainly help smooth skin and minimize redness, and can cure strawberry legs over time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Clogged pores. The skin on your legs contains thousands of pores, and like all other pores, they can become clogged with bacteria, dead skin, and debris. These clogged pores are called open comedones. When the oil inside the clogged pores is exposed to air, it oxidizes and turns black.
Take our lead.
You can try a home remedy with baking soda. Just make a paste out of baking soda and warm water, about 1 tablespoon of soda per 1 teaspoon of water, and apply it to your legs on the problem area. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing off the mixture with cold water.
Take our lead.
In some cases, home remedies may help lighten dark skin on your thighs. Coconut oil and lemon juice. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which may help treat hyperpigmentation. Sugar scrub. Sugar can help exfoliate the skin. Oatmeal yogurt scrub. Baking soda and water paste. Aloe vera. Potato rub.
Take our lead.
It typically takes 2 to 6 treatments to work, and it's safe for the skin. Learn more about laser hair removal services at a new medical spa. Winter is the best time to start, so by summer, your legs are hair-free.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How are strawberry legs treated? Shaving properly and carefully with a moisturizing shave lotion or cream. Using an epilator. Moisturizing your skin thoroughly and daily. Exfoliating your skin on a regular basis. Using an over-the-counter, OTC, product containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.